Welcome to my channel. My name is Iesha B, and you are in the place to be. Yes, I'm gonna keep saying that. Ha! We are here today because I decided to do my hair. I put it in my vlog, I think the second one, and I really like how it came out. I will say that, the box braidiness is very much in the front, and in the back it goes to the left. This is my left. I don't know how you're seeing it, but I tried my very best when it came to the parting. But, that's what this video is. If you don't want to see that, deuces. If you want to see it, hey, it's coming next. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fancy stuff, so that you can be in the know about anything I post soon and be able to experience the Iesha B channel full-fledged. Hit the notification bell as well, and keep watching. All right, hey y'all, I'm using this Model Everclear hair. It's pre-stretched, pre-rinsed, supposed to be low maintenance, and then of course some Shine and Jam to slick down my hair as I go through. I had originally started by parting these in the front, and then I realized that I should put Shine and Jam on each one, even when putting it in there, just to make it look even more clean when I do the rubber band part. So that's why it was like some rubber band, that I took it out and started over. So yeah, but I wanted to do the rubber band method to make it look as clean as I could. Now my parting is not going to be the best because I can't see the back of my head. I didn't know how to even go about doing that in the mirror, so I just chalked it and said I'll make sure the front looks as neat as I can get it, and I'll go from there. It's pretty much what this process was. But it was pretty easy to do the parting in the neat parts, of course, and then in the back it just was what it was. I tried to just match how much hair was in each part. Wasn't too worried about the spacing in the back. And then when I do go in and do the actual braiding, I put more Shine and Jam, which you'll see in a minute. So I do some Shine and Jam on the part. Don't worry about me, I was watching TV and I was very invested, clearly. I put some Shine and Jam on my hair before I do it, and then I even put some in the braiding hair before I started on like the medium level, where I was actually joining my hair and the braiding hair, because it was like separating a whole lot as I was trying to get it to lay even with mine. I did have to do a couple of them over because it wasn't blending the way I wanted it to, because I didn't use enough of the Shine and Jam. So yeah, I'm going to do a couple braids on camera to start, and then I'm going to do a couple braids on camera when I'm ending. And I hope that my angle isn't so terrible that you can't really see how I start the braid. But it's pretty much just, I take this section off with the rubber band. The rubber band helps keep a clean guide. I do Shine and Jam on the hair, Shine and Jam on my hair, and I literally just grip it around and twist it. Like, that's the easiest way to say it. You grip it around, twist it, and start braiding. The annoying part is separating your hair and the braid hair to make that third piece. That is what kind of like jumbled me up a little bit, so it was harder if I wasn't paying attention enough. And then the hair kind of like was a bit knotty, which I think I say in the beginning, or I say in the end, that I feel like I could have used different hair, but it still looks fine. It's not like looking ratty or anything. I've only had it in for about 2 days now. It still looks good. So yeah, but the main thing is just making sure you can blend in your hair as much as you can. Like, my hair is long, so it's obvious if I wasn't blending it well, so I had to try and do my very best. And I come back and just realize, like, I'm just gonna keep it pushing. I was ready to give up because I wasn't sure if I liked how it looked, but overall it actually turned out really good. And as you can see, I'm only using like a third of the bunches. I thought I was gonna need to use like half of each bunch, which was literally not necessary. So I used a third of each one, and I had about 19 braids, I think it was, I counted. And I still had a bunch left. Like, it had 3 different bunches inside of the bag, and I only used 2 bunches, well, 2 bags and 2 bunches out of the third bag. And I'm keeping that hair. No, matter of fact, actually, it's 2 bunches left, in that last pack. I'm keeping that in the event that I need to do any maintenance or like redo the front or whatever the case may be, because I want to try and keep these in for a little bit. I'm not really good with keeping braids in, so you know. But it's easier when you do your own braids. If you have other people do them and you take them right out, then it's kind of like poor etiquette. So it's another reason why I thought I'd give it a try for myself. But yeah, I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this and I'll be back. I am gonna go in and do some stuff. I'm gonna mousse it and dip my hair in hot water, and yeah. Alright, so I'm finishing it out. Each braid I did braid all the way down to the end, but some of them did come loose by the time I got to the end, but it was what it was. Next, I'm just gonna go in and do some mousse, you know, on the very top of the whole thing. Decent amount of mousse. It's just some Suave Mousse. And I'm gonna slick it down really good, rub it in as much as I can, and then just lay it down with a scarf so that it comes out looking real crisp. That's why, you know, it looks really neat at the top, I feel like, and I probably will do that every couple of days just to keep the shine in the top of the head and all of that. And I do have a bonnet that fits almost perfectly on my hair. Okay, to conclude this video, I really like the way they came out, but obviously I am no pro. I definitely need to try and take even more time on my parting if I can the next time I do these for the back, because I do like them a lot. And then I think I may get different hair. The girl at the hair store probably was just trying to make sure I would buy any hair. Like, she didn't really care what hair I got, but it's either the not proness or what, but it's just not all staying together. Even with putting mousse on and dipping the hair, it still is coming out on certain ones. Thankfully, like, it wasn't somebody else doing it and I have to fix it. Now that would suck. I would be annoyed. But yeah, overall this took me 4 hours, an hour to actually part my hair, because I told you I cared about the top, and when I got to the back I was just like whatever. And when I actually got to braid, I obviously broke up the time frame when I did that because I had the girls. But I waited till everybody went to sleep and then braided. And it took me about 3 hours to braid my whole head, mousse it, and dip it. And then yeah, I didn't include the dipping part because that was a hot mess, literally a hot mess. Me trying to do it, so me trying to record that was not gonna work. But yeah, I really like it though. If you would like to see this little makeup situation, I did record it. It will be up one of these days, not gonna lie. about what day. It may be Friday, maybe next week. I'm not sure yet. I have been slipping on vlogging. I don't know why. I just keep forgetting to actually record. So it is what it is. But I really liked it. It didn't take me nearly as long as I expected it to. And the hair was pretty cheap. So it's like a $20 hairstyle overall. I don't even think I paid $20. I didn't even use all 3 of the packs. I used the majority, but not all 3 of the packs. So it could be a little something if anybody wants to try it. Make sure you comment down below and tell me if you want to see me try any other hairstyles on myself. I have time here and there when it comes to like doing smaller braids, but it's just like the thought of taking more than 4, 5, 6, 7, it's a lot of hours. I don't have the patience. So just let me know if you guys have any suggestions and stuff you would like me to try. I can try it. I've done twists in my hair before, but that's really it. That's why I wasn't sure if this would even work out, because I've never done braids in my hair. But we did it and it actually looks good. I need to do my edges, but yeah, I didn't leave out too much because, you know, the process of swooping it is like, what? If you don't have anywhere for it to go. So there's no point in taking out too much hair. But yeah, I really liked it. And if you happen to hear Ayana cooing in the background, it is what it is. You know, she is a added addition to my videos because she's here with me the days that I record. So yeah, but thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye. There's some